Well, welcome back to For Love of the Mouse. I'm Bryson. If you can't tell by Hogwarts behind me, we're doing something special today. We are doing Harry Potter's studio tour here in London.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love. I need only you here with me.
Well, that's right. We are doing the Harry Potter studio tour. We got here a little bit early, so we're standing here in what their version of the Great Hall is because we have Harry Potter Starbucks over here. We have a food hall back over here. We have the chocolate frog shaped ice cream hut over here. So we're going to get some food. We're going to hang out a little bit. But yeah, we're out here doing a tour. This tour books 3 months in advance, and I recommend getting your tickets as soon as it comes out and you're able to book it because it sells out. This sold out within like a week, just our day today. So that's it. Let's go get some dinner, and then it's time for the tour. So we came over here to the Return to Azkaban food hall, where I got some fish and chips. Look at the size of that fish right there. Crystal, let me get over our drinks here. Look at this. I got a European Dr. Pepper. This is the first time I've seen this. These lids. Why do we not have these? Like, it doesn't come off. It just stays there. It's wonderful. You don't lose your lid. Great. Crystal has a fried chicken sandwich with some coleslaw, some chips right there, a bottle of water, the Golden Snitch, and I have no idea what that is.
Monster Book of Monsters.
Monster Book of Monsters. Look at that. We got a massive bacon wrapped hot dog right there, and some more chips, because why not? All right, let's eat, because we need to fill our tummies before we go do the Harry Potter tour. So when it is time for your tour, you will enter right into this hallway here, and you're going through all these schematics and blueprints. As you see, there's Harry's aunt and uncle's house. This is the queue for the tour, so you're going to see all these cool things before your tour begins. And right here we have the cupboard under the stairs, which if you don't know, which if you're watching this vlog, you probably should know. That's Harry's room. That's where his aunt and uncle put him. Right in there. I do know that much. So he busts out of there and lives at Hogwarts. How great is that for him?
Why? Now, that being said, welcome to Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, the making of Harry Potter. During our return to Azkaban feature, that means you'll get up close and personal to 4 brand new sets.
Gentle push together. Magic roll.
Now there is an option for you to get an earbud which will play all the different descriptions as you walk through the tour. That is an extra charge. We, however, chose to go with the self-guided tour option because we have Crystal here, and she is my own personal Harry Potter aficionado, the best tour guide ever. So just so you know, I am only going to show you about a third of what is in this room. But just know that more than likely your favorite character, your favorite prop, your favorite item, whatever it is you have from the movies that you love, if I haven't shown it, oh, there I showed you a little more. It's probably in this room. So we've been in this room for a half hour and we haven't seen everything yet. But just know, you need to come see it for yourself if you ever get to London.
As well. So, like much of the first film, Da Vinci Begins the Dark Arts classroom was originally shot on location, and it was shot at Laycock Abbey in Wiltshire. Professor Quirrell's rendition of the classroom looked vastly different from the one that you can see behind me. And as it's much easier to film on a studio set rather than on location, a new defence against the dark arts classroom was constructed for Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets under the guidance of our production designer, Stuart Craig. Now, Stuart Craig.
So as we make our way from Platform 9, which is the first studio, you have halfway merch, as we're calling it. There's a little merchandise store as you go between Platform 9 and Platform 10, which would what that would make? Platform 9 3/4, that's right. So here we are, merchandise, Hagrid's motorbike. There you go. They have the merch here. Okay, so making our way from, we're going from 10 to 9. That's what we're doing. 9 3/4, here we come. And I don't know where my friends are and my wife, but we'll find them. Oh, King's Crossing. That's where we are, 9 3/4. There's the train. Wow, okay, I respect this because this makes me love Harry Potter World that much more because this looks so much just like that. The detail between the two is like identical. I love it. Okay, big props Universal on matching this because this is the actual train from the movie. And then also at King's Crossing here, we have the railway shop because we got more merch. And this is all Hogwarts Express merch, Platform 9 3/4 merch. It's actually pretty cool. There's a 9 3/4 Spirit jersey right there. Just a little shop. So you can get all your Hogwarts Express and the Platform 9 3/4 needs. So as we make our way out of there, which is where you can get your butterbeer and some food if you need it halfway through, we come outside and they have some outside props for us. So you have a whole outside area you can check out. Plus we still have another sound studio. And if it's raining, there is underneath awnings over there. So you can view everything dry over there. But we have a beautiful day in London. The first day we have seen any sun on our, what are we on now? Day 14 we've been gone. I have not literally seen the sun since the 1st of July. And today is the 14th. Yeah, so 14, almost 14 days. I'll take this and yeah, check out Caitlin in the night bus. Ooh, look at her. Yeah, she's excited. This is really cool. I love that it's sunny out in here.
I know, it's like perfect.
Because it makes it perfect in here, yeah. They didn't give us those, though, to protect our ears.
Draco.
There we go. Little behind the scenes of Instagram. Oh, man. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. You'll see them there. And as we enter our next sound stage of creature effects, I will remind you again, I'm only going to show you about a third of what is actually in here because I want you yourself, if you come here, to be surprised by things. I don't want you to just watch this vlog and me ruin things for you. So I'm only showing you some so that you can still enjoy. So I am going to show you Hogwarts, but I'm not going to show you what they do with Hogwarts. You have to find that out for yourself. It's really cool, but it's just kind of cool to see how they filmed it right here. This is what they used for the exterior. Like, really cool. So as we walk out of Hogwarts, we walk into the magical production room of Ollivanders, which every wand box you see in here has the name of someone who worked on any of the Harry Potter projects. From any position. I mean, not just any position. I mean, look at all these names. It's crazy. And this, I'm guessing, marks the end of our tour. Behind here, I see merchandise. And there's wands you can buy over there on that wall. How cool. Let's see if we can find Crystal a sweatshirt. We'll see. They have a lot of merch I've never seen before at, obviously, Universal, because that's the only place I've been. So, there is some different merch. Let's see what Crystal can find. Maybe I'll find some. Who knows? I never get anything. And this wall right here is all Harry Potter exclusive London merch. Looks like
I won't get a London.
coasters, stickers. What are these? Stickers, 2-pack of stickers. 2-pack of stickers, 4 pounds. Sweatshirt, bag, shirts, hats, mugs, tumblers. All exclusive to London. All right, well, as you can see, the dragon is telling me it is time to leave. We have finished our tour. I gotta say, this was amazing to see all the props and everything that I've seen in these movies. And to do this with my wife, because this is one of the things she convinced me.
It was so cool.
She convinced me when we first started dating that I needed to watch Harry Potter. I haven't read any books, but it's one thing we share in common, even though I know nothing compared to her. Even though her and her friends lost at Harry Potter trivia on the cruise, they didn't even get half the questions right. They were hard questions.
I can't believe you just called us out.
Yeah, well, anyway, that's going to wrap it up. Hope this video gave you a touch of what it's like. I just wanted to show you enough so that if you are in London and you wanted to come do this tour, come do it. It is worth it. Like I said, buy those tickets 3 months out. I believe it was $63 US. And then today we got exclusive merchandise. This is Crystal's London and Harry Potter merch because it says London. And we got to hang out with Harry and the gang. Then we got Aldi over here. You know, it was a fun time. So, if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and ring that bell icon so that you're notified whenever we release new videos. But most of all, thank you all so much for watching, and for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.
We only need